Hello everyone, and today I wanted to show you the tutorial for the full version of Five Little Speckled Frogs or Five Green Speckled Frogs. So we will need three chords, and I'm playing baritone ukulele. Number one is G. The second chord is C major. And the third chord we will need is D7. And then we can go back to G major. And we will start with the first verse. Ready? And we will start with G. Five little speckled frogs. Then we change the chord and then we go to C major. Sat on a speckled log. Going back to G. Eating the most delicious, now D7, grubs, yum, yum. Then G, one jumped into the pool. Then C, where it was nice and cool. Now G, then there were, and D7, four green speckled frogs. And then you can do yum, yum. Shall we play it again? Ready? Now I'm gonna play a little bit faster. And I'm playing the strum down, down, up, up, down. Ready? We start with G. Five little speckled frogs sat on the speckled log, eating the most delicious grubs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there were four green speckled frogs. Yum, yum. And then you go, four little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log. Then 3, 2, 1, and that was the last one. And there were none. No more speckled frogs. So I hope you will enjoy playing the song. Children definitely like this one. So, and just to summarize, we will need three chords: G, C major, and D7. And I'm playing baritone ukulele. Thank you for listening. Please like and subscribe.